how to log into CIBC Bank app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into the CIBC mobile banking app on iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log into the CIBC application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the CIBC banking application here, and once you make sure to launch the CIBC banking application, you should be able to see this type of interface. Now from here what you need to do is, if you already don't have a CIBC online account, you can tap on the not a client yet option right at the bottom, or you can just make sure to tap already a CIBC client here, and then you can choose to register if you haven't, or you can just tap the sign in option from the top. Once you do that, right from the bottom you should be able to find an option to access your card number and then enter the password for your online or mobile banking, and then tap the sign on option in order to successfully sign into CIBC mobile banking. This way you will be able to log into CIBC Bank app on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.